beautiful blue sky morning here in Newfoundland, but this is the day we say goodbye to Newfoundland.
Yes, we're heading out from here in Gander, and we're heading to Blanc-Sablon as our first stop.
On the Quebec shore. Beautiful day for flying. We're going to stay, well, we'll get into that when we get there. We're not going to tell you where we're staying tonight until we get there. So, let's get going.
Gander Tower, this is Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, holding short, runway 21 on Foxtrot.
Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, Gander Tower, at Foxtrot, line up runway 21, backtrack and cross runway 13 approved if required.
Gander Tower, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, I'm going to line up and go from here.
Yeah. Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform Tower, roger, be right turn it on departure, wind 2706, clear takeoff runway 21, good day.
Clear takeoff, 21, right turn out, Mike Victor Uniform, thank you. Ready, Jules?
Yeah.
Mike Victor Uniform Tower, squawk code is 1213.
One, 2, 1, 3, Mike Victor Uniform.
Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform Tower, change to under frequency now, have a good day.
En route frequency, thanks for all your help, have a great day, bye now.
See you later.
Got it?
Gander Center, this is Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform.
Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, Gander Center, go ahead.
Gander Center, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, Cessna 172 on a VFR flight plan to Blanc-Sablon, requesting radar surveillance if possible.
Okay, Charlie Fox, Mike Victor Uniform, you're identified at a Gander there, climbing through confirmed 3,300 feet, Cessna 172.
Climbing through 3,300 feet, Cessna 172, Mike Victor Uniform.
Mike Victor Uniform, roger, you're identified, and the VFR, flight following approved, maintain VFR at all times, Gander altimeter 3007.
3007, VFR at all times, Mike Victor Uniform.
So we've got a water crossing this morning, right at the very end of our flight, yeah. So we've got, I don't know, what is it, 2 hours left? An hour and a half?
A while.
Yeah. And the water crossing is right at the very end. And the water crossing isn't...
Either 700 at Cessna's on an eastbound heading there now, it looks like.
Look, I'm still negative contact.
The water crossing isn't long enough that it requires us to wear the life jacket. It just requires the life jacket.
They're keeping it over the highway, but you can see that.
Check, we're over the highway now.
Just requires that we have them in the cabin. So these could be, back there. In a panic situation, I've got enough to do than to try and put on my life jacket, as well as, managing flying the plane. So I just wear it. It's not that bad. No, kind of hardly notice that I've got it. Well, I notice a little bit, but not bad.
Gander Center, Provincial 901.
Provincial 901, go ahead.
Okay, we'd like to request direct NRO for the RNAV after PECRO, direct NRO for the RNAV 36.
Okay, Provincial 901 after PECRO, clear direct NANRO. Do you have the 1300 weather?
Yeah, we got the 12, but we don't have the 13, Provincial 901, and clear direct NRO after PECRO.
Roger, Wabush 1300. The winds are calm. Visibility is 6 miles with, I'm not sure if it's supposed to be, smoke or moderate smoke, but it's smoke anyway. Vertical visibility 2000. Temperature and dew point 16, altimeter 3003.
Okay, copy all, thanks, Provincial 901.
Is Canada on fire that much?
I guess so. So he must be going north into Labrador, maybe. I didn't catch it said Wabush, I think he said, didn't he?
I wasn't really listening.
Yeah, I missed it at the beginning. Because this haze in front of us has that look of smoke in it.
The pinkness?
Yeah, and the sort of the color.
Yeah. The pink. To me, it's pink. It could be brown.
Yeah.
To someone else.
Oh, pinkness is what you said.
Yes.
I thought you said thickness.
No, pinkness.
Yes, no, the pinkness, definitely.
You could say it could be beige.
Yeah.
For some reason, it seems kind of pinky, beigey.
Yep.
Foxtrot Mike Victor uniform, Gander.
Go for Mike Victor uniform.
Roger, you can stay on my frequency, but might want to contact Montjoly soon on 1220. Montjoly radio service responsible. And again, the altimeter 3000. Be advised, it's coming up on an hour old soon.
3000, and we'll contact Montjoly on 122.0. Mike Victor uniform, thank you.
Mike Victor uniform, Roger, and I'll terminate your VFR flight following here now then with center. You have a great day, and perhaps we'll talk to you on the way back.
Thank you very much. Have a great day as well.
You know.
Montjoly radio, this is Foxtrot Mike Victor uniform.
Foxtrot Victor Mike uniform. Radio.
Montjoly radio, Foxtrot Mike Victor uniform, Cessna 172 on a VFR flight plan from Gander to Blanc-Sablon. Still over the northern arm of Newfoundland, just about to cross the strait. Just checking in, inbound for landing.
Mike Victor uniform, Montjoly radio, Roger. What is your ETA for Blanc-Sablon?
Please say again.
What is your ETA?
ETA to Blanc-Sablon is 32 minutes.
Mike Victor uniform, Roger. Report entering the zone, 15 miles.
Contact before entering the zone, Mike Victor uniform. So we're about 30 minutes out from Blanc-Sablon. We're just doing our last little bit over Newfoundland before we cross the strait. We're trying to decide if it's the Strait of Belle Isle or the Gulf of St. Lawrence. It seems to be right where the two meet. But we've picked up a lot of smoke.
Yes.
I did look at the smoke forecast this morning because so far on our trip, smoke hasn't been a factor. But we can definitely see a smoky haze sort of cutting down our visibility. And I almost feel like we're going to set off from this shore and not be able to see the other shore because of the smoke. Even though on the way over we could see it from both sides. And it kind of twigged earlier because there was an IFR flight that was going to an airport on the Newfoundland side of the strait. And he was an IFR air ambulance, and he was complaining that he couldn't see the airport because of smoke. The handler wanted to let him go VFR, and he's like, no, I can't see it. Montjoly radio, this is Foxtrot, Mike Victor uniform.
Foxtrot Mike Victor uniform, Montjoly radio.
Montjoly radio, Foxtrot Mike Victor uniform, Cessna 172, currently 15 miles east of Blanc-Sablon, inbound for landing, planning on joining the mid-left downwind runway 23, full stop.
Mike Victor uniform, Roger, runway 23, no traffic report final.
Report final on 23, Mike Victor uniform, thank you. Montjoly radio, Foxtrot Mike Victor uniform, base to final, runway 23, Blanc-Sablon.
Mike Victor uniform, Roger, report down and clear.
Report down and clear, Mike Victor uniform. As well as new pavement, it looks like they're widening it.
I'd still stick with the left side.
Yeah. Westy 45 degree.
Oh my.
Montjoly radio, Foxtrot Mike Victor uniform, down and clear at Blanc-Sablon.
Blanc-Sablon.
It's a bit windy again.
It's windy here. I am 0 for 2 on beautiful landings here at Blanc-Sablon. It's always a little bit disconcerting. You look out and the windsock is straight out at like a 45 degree angle. And it was a little rough coming in, but we're in and we're going to take off. So this is just technical stop.
Little lunch.
little lunch, full tanks of fuel. Our next stop is Natashquan, Quebec. It is kind of where the road ends. We're going to stay there tonight. They may or may not have fuel, but that's okay because we've got enough fuel to go from there to the next fuel stop. So, up the St. Lawrence in a wheelbarrow.
Or in this case, a
Cessna.
Cessna.
Bonjour, Lee Radio, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform.
Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, Bonjour, Lee Radio.
Bonjour, Lee Radio, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, Cessna 172, currently holding short 2-3 on Alpha at Blanc-Sablon, ready for takeoff en route on a VFR flight planned to Natashquan.
And report airborne on runway 23.
Reporting airborne on runway 23, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, taking 23 for backtrack, Mike Victor Uniform.
Bonjour, Lee Radio for Blanc-Sablon. Hello, got Northlight 483. We're started up. We got the latest numbers. Planning runway 23. Just requesting a traffic advisory, please. And we're heading to Mary Pepper.
Northlight 483, Roger, runway 23. Request you hold short, Cessna 172, takeoff 23.
Roger, we're going to hold short. We got the traffic in sight for Northlight 483.
Bonjour, Lee Radio, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, airborne off of 23, right-hand turnout, westbound.
Mike Victor Uniform, Roger, flight plan is activated and report leaving the zone.
Report leaving the zone, Mike Victor Uniform. Bonjour, Lee Radio, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, clearing the zone to the west, 2300 and climbing.
Mike Victor Uniform, Roger, Northwick and Steam. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much, have a great day. En route traffic on 123.5, this is Cessna 172, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, currently 10 nautical miles northeast of Takeoff at 4,500, traveling westbound. Any conflicting traffic, please report.
Helicopter Golf November Bravo Kilo. We are 3 nautical miles on the south of Takeoff in direction to the east. To Latabatia, we are at 1,300 feet.
This is Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, should be no conflict. Madeline Radio, this is Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform.
Cessna 172, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, Madeline Radio, good day.
G'day, Madeline Radio. This is Cessna 172, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, inbound for landing to Natashquan. I'm currently 15 miles east. I expect to be over the field in 13 minutes, and I'm hoping to do straight in on runway 32.
Mike Victor Uniform, Madeline Radio, Roger, runway 32, and Natashquan at 1800 Zulu, wind 240 at 5, variable between 220 and 280, altimeter 29er.
29er. Thank you, Mike Victor Uniform.
And can I get your current altitude?
Current altitude is 3,200 descending.
Roger, thank you. Report final, runway 32.
Report final 32, Mike Victor Uniform, thank you.
Airport in sight.
Madeline Radio, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, 6 miles final, 3 minutes from touchdown in Natashquan.
Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform, Madeline Radio, Roger, report down and clear.
Report down and clear, Mike Victor Uniform. Madeline Radio, Foxtrot, Mike Victor Uniform down and clear in Natashquan.
Mike Victor Uniform, Madeline Radio, roger, thanks. And are we closing the flight plan?
If you would, that would be great, please.
Your flight plan is now closed.
Thanks for all your help. Have a great day.
You too now.
Bonjour, hello, welcome, bienvenue à Natashquan.
Natashquan, Quebec, on the northern shore of the St. Lawrence. The Gulf of St. Lawrence? Still in the Gulf of St. Lawrence, okay.
I believe so, yes.
The flight in was a little bit rough. I mean, the air was smooth, but the visibility was down to probably 9 miles, which isn't so bad, but it's just that haze that makes you think, oh, I can't see far enough. Then you realize you sort of can see far enough and everything's going to be fine. But we're here, and we're going to spend a night at a little auberge in town. This town didn't have a road to it until the mid-90s. So it's and the new road ends only maybe 5 or 10 kilometers down the way. So this is pretty much the end of the road.
There you go. Although I really like all the sand on the way in, the giant sand space, yeah.
Sand, beautiful beaches along the way, and I was looking at the beaches thinking, wow, those look wonderful, and then I realized how cold that cold the water would be. Anyway, we're on. They're coming to pick us up, so off we go.